So guys, let us move straight to the what? The sleeve. It is a short sleeve, and I think it's fold up 2. So if I measure it, it's divided by 2. So if I measure this one, if I measure this width, it is 9.5 right here. It is 9.5 into, so to that means it is what? 19 divided by 2. It's gonna give you 9.5. So all the width is what? 19 inches. So the length too is 11. We are gonna fold 2 inches. We are gonna fold it 2 inches. So it's gonna left maybe 9 inches. It's gonna left 9 inches. So firstly, we are gonna be cutting it. This sleeve armhole is 17. So it's gonna be divided by 2. So we are just gonna make it it's 17. So we are gonna make it at least, if you divide it by 2, we are gonna make it 9.5. So the sewing allowance, understand? We are gonna make it 9.5 right here. So from this to the it's supposed to be like 8.5 because it's 7. So we are gonna make it 9.5 or even 10. You understand? Or even 10. So the sleeve around is 9. So we are gonna divide it by 2 to make it 4.5. But we are not gonna make it the 4.5. We are gonna what? We are gonna make it 5.5 and quarter. We are gonna make it 5.5 and quarter. So watch how we cut it. Very, very, very carefully. So we are cutting it. So we are gonna cut it to the where the chalk is marked, or the chalk is being what? Marked. So this is how we cut it. Understand? This is how we cut it. So we are gonna we are gonna open it. So it's 2 right here. You understand? So right now you can see that the width is 12 inches because we measured the sleeve around to make it that. So we have reduced it. You understand? So this is the sleeve. This is how the sleeve is looking. The short sleeve is 2. So we are gonna fold it. This is the wrong part. So we are gonna mark it like this. So we are gonna fold it like this. You understand? We are gonna fold it like this, and to fold it like this, somehow like this. We are gonna do both the two. Understand? We are gonna do both the two, and we are gonna what? Iron it, and come and show you. Hi guys. So after folding it, this is how it's gonna be looking. Understand? This is how it's gonna be looking. So we have folded. So you can see we first fold here. You first fold here, and to fold it like this to make it these inches. We fold it 1 and 1 inches, both the two. So we are gonna stitch it through. As you are watching it, you are taking what? Lessons. So watch it carefully so you know how to see yours better. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم تقبل صيامنا اللهم تقبل صيامنا اللهم تقبل سجودنا وركوعنا برحمتك يا رب العالمين اللهم إنك عفو تحب العفو فاعف عنا اللهم إنك عفو تحب العفو فاعف عنا فاعف عنا يا كريم فاعف عنا يا رحيم فاعف عنا يا أكرم الأكرمين اللهم اغفر لنا ما قدمنا وما أخرنا وما أسررنا وما أعلنا وما أنت أعلم به منا إنك أنت السميع القريب برحمتك يا رب العالمين. So guys, after stitching it, So guys, after stitching it, this is how it's gonna be looking. This is how the both the two is gonna be what looking, understand? This is how it's gonna be what looking. So this is how it's gonna be what looking. So we are gonna what to add it. We are gonna join it like this. We are gonna be joining it like this, or let's say like let's make it one after the other. We are gonna be joining it like this, and to what make sure it straightens, and add the other one to it. Also make sure it straightens. You understand? To make sure it straightens, it's the same length. So we are gonna iron it to make it. So after ironing it, if some is longer than if the one is longer than one, so we are gonna be cutting it to make it all the same. You understand? To make it all look the same. You understand? To make it all the same, to look the same measurements. Understand? So what I was going to show is to what to cut here. You understand? So when we finish the shirt, so we are gonna be what open it to what we are gonna open it to be stitching it through. Understand? So this is how we make the what short sleeve. This is exactly how we make the short sleeve. Understand?